Hi guys, I'm George and welcome to Indian Pencil Drawing. Hope you're all doing good. So in this video, I'm thinking to guide you in buying a new set of pencils. So for a good reason, I just went forward and bought this Cretacolor Cleos graphite pencils, which is ranging from 2H to 9B. So few of you have asked me why do these pencils have this different kind of letters and numbers printed on it and what does that means. So I thought I could make a video for your better understanding. So without any delay, let's get started. So the pencils comes inside the box is a set from soft to hard, which easily means dark to light. You can see we have pencils with the number from 9B to 2H. You can see there are only few H pencils and lot of B pencils. There are so many H pencils from H to 9H which goes into more lighter shade, but we won't be mostly using it. So to make it easier, I have drawn 12 boxes. So I'm gonna write down the letters and numbers which has been printed on each pencil. So it's start from 9B, 8B, 7B, and it goes on to 2H. So in this, B stands for blackness, more the count, more the black. And H stands for hardness, more the count, lighter the shade. And F stands for fine point, where it can only be sharpened to a fine point, but mostly we don't use it. So now I'm going to demonstrate how this pencils gets used and shading in 12 boxes. So then hopefully once we are finished with that, we'll have a solid smooth blackness to harder light shade. So this is going to be a time lapse, so let me explain you. So in this, we are starting with 9B, and 9B is the darkest one in the set, which means the lead is very soft. Remember one thing, even though the lead is softer, it will be dull faster than the harder one, usually when you smudge it. So to avoid the smudging, while drawing, you are required to sharpen the pencil oftenly to get the perfection. So whenever you are shading a small darker portion, try to make the pencil well sharpened to get the best result and not by doing the small smudges. In case if you have only the grade till 6B, still you can achieve the blackness of 9B by just applying little more pressure onto the paper, but should be careful on the paper you use. You can see there is no much change in 8B and 7B pencils, but it's always your option and viewpoint in selecting either of the pencil. But as I move on to 4B and 3B, you can eventually see that the gradient of the shade changes to lighter from darker. You can see the darker pencil gets well shaded onto the paper than the lighter one as it scribbles the paper because it's an H graded pencil. You will find yourself using the softer and darker pencil compared to harder and lighter ones. And that's why this set is ideal for me because it helps us to find out the best one out of the box. So finally, the 12 boxes are filled in and I hope you can see the difference as the gradient going from dark to light. Using this set of pencils, you can achieve this darker and lighter shade. So please feel free to screenshot this to understand better in future. So thanks for watching this video. I'm hoping to give better tutorials like this, and if you find yourself that this kind of tutorials can help you better, please give me a like and please comment what kind of tutorials you would like to watch more. Other than that, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.